Hello, welcome to another YouTube video. This is your boy Papa Samo. So today, you know what I'm going to be doing for you guys? Guess what? I'm going to be unboxing the biggest ring light, HQ21N. But where is it? 1 second. Yes, we made it. This is the biggest ring light by this manufacturer called HQ. Now, this is a 21-inch ring light, 72 watts, comes with 2.1 meter tripod stand. You can buy it separately, but most of the time you do want to get it together with a stand anyway. So yeah, so basically what it is that this is like a new thing most people have been using to get like very good quality lighting, personal lighting for YouTube, for Instagram, for pictures, for whatever, you know. So many people use ring lights nowadays. So stand first. Okay. Out of the way. So the stand, this is actually a very good quality stand. I think this manufacturer really does good ring lights. The stand, you just loosen it up here a bit, and it's very easy to prop down like this. We just lock this up like this, and we should be able to get it standing. I have my tripod stand standing over here. I'm going to get into the light right now. Let me show you the box. See how the box looks like. At the back, we have a shot of the back of the ring light, and in front, we just have a shot of the front of the ring light. And let's get inside. Okay, so inside, we have this big bag. So this is basically the carrier bag. So this ring light comes with 3 phone holders, a remote control, and a power cable. Then it has this big carrier bag that you can use to carry your ring light around in case you need to carry your ring light somewhere for some event, something. Very easy to carry. Now the advantage of ring lights is these things are super lightweight. It's an easy way to have good lighting on the go. So just the ring lights, as you can see, it's huge, humongous. And we are going to see how much light it can give out very soon. Now I'm gonna get this off. Alright, so this is the ring lights in full glory. All white at the front. The 21-inch ring light, this one comes with 4 USB 2.1 amp charging ports, 3 slots to put in phone holders, and the controls for your brightness and your colors. It goes all the way from 3200K to 6000K. That's the color range, which is basically very white to quite yellow. So let's get it set up onto the stand, then we can see how bright this is. Okay, so now I have my ring light here. It can actually get way taller. This is actually at the lowest setting right now because I'm trying to give you guys the shot so you can see everything, but this can get like crazy high. It can get like 2.1 meters high. The stand is very durable, yet very light. And now we're going to see how bright this thing gets. Okay, so like you can see right here, we have this ring light set up. This is like not even the brightest setting. Now, in case you didn't know, I'm actually using a ring light to record this video. So there's a ring light set up right here in my setup, but that's actually even a smaller ring light. So this ring light can potentially overpower my light over here. Please don't kill me. Let's watch the lights. Shoot. Okay. Yeah, so like you can see, it comes with 3 different color settings. Mainly we have the yellow, the white. This is actually dim. So this is like you want light, but you don't want bright light. You just want some dim light. So this is dim. Then this is like intermediate. So this is in between kind of your yellow and your white. Now you can actually go in between manually, in between the different color temperatures by stepping in between them manually. So you can see here, I'm manually shifting from white and shifting gradually to yellow. And I can also increase the brightness. And you see how bright it gets. You see it gets really bright. So like ring lights are like the hottest thing in like photography and video lighting right now because it's like accessible. It makes lighting accessible to most people. It's not crazy bright. I mean, it's not crazy hot. That's what I meant. Sorry. It gets crazy bright, but it doesn't get crazy hot. So you can see like this is like a bright light, and I can literally touch the back of it, and it doesn't get uncomfortably hot that I can't touch it or something. Nah. So that's what people like about ring lights. They are cool to touch, yet they give you the brightness that you want from a good lighting system. Most people use ring lights also for like YouTube, live videos like Instagram, so they're usually using their phones. So you see that most ring lights do come with these kind of phone holder slots. So I'm going to demonstrate how you fix one of these here. This one actually comes with 3 of them. So in case maybe you are broadcasting live on Instagram, Facebook, and wherever you have to broadcast live at, you can have 3 phones up in here doing the business. You just take off this thing from the back, pop this thing in between, makes a clicking sound. You lock it in like this, then this thing comes at the back, and it makes it really easy to slot in. Yep, so it makes it easy really to put your phone in here. Okay, so phone in there, we get into, and you can start taking shots. Yeah, that's basically it. Ring lights are just a beautiful thing right now for photography and video. And if you don't have a ring light, you should think about getting one for yourself. If you're crazy about your videos, crazy about your pictures, anybody really.